Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Now I have to move on, but please, I beg of you, share this very program and hit the like button. I will never get tired of exposing the evil. Yesterday I saw my former friend and the former brother, Obinna Victor Zaganobi, typing and writing on Twitter, tweeting that, so PM Mazi Simon Ekpa had his case on pro bono. Nobody was able to tell them. Nobody told them anything. In fact, he typed a lot, which I saw. But I must tell you, telling you that nobody was able to tell you anything is lying. All of you are lying, deceiving yourselves. There is nothing that you want today that I have not said. One of which I was attacked by Ugo 247. I asked USB when I was with them, why are you telling the people that you are going for Mazi Simon Ekpa's case? But USB, when I was pressing, Argi called me and I started interrogating Argi. It was then that Argi let me know that they have not gone or sent anybody to PM. And I asked Argi, how will PM survive over there? If something is bothering PM, how will PM get to fix everything? Argi said PM have already prepared himself before he joined, which means Argi them is implying that PM was able for the court case and order to follow the court case. How do you know if you do not send somebody? So then I was speaking all of these things. I called you Obinna Victor Zaganobi. I told you everything. All you started tweeting on Twitter. You did not mention my name. You focus on Ada Dioramma because I told you that Ada Dioramma is justified in her fight against this very woman. That then she have not started fighting this very woman. But I told you, you know what I told you. And all of a sudden you type, you have seen those who deceive people, those who accountability group, and you cannot fall in their net. They have started again. I saw all the typing. And now you are typing that nobody was able to tell you. What about the ones that I said? What about the ones that I told you? I explained to you too many evils that this very woman is doing. How far about the recruitment? You were with her typing all the jargons and nonsense. Maybe you were receiving accolade. How far about the recruitment? She recruited people's children, which I told you, all of them were buyed. All of you, humanity, went away from your people. And all of a sudden, you started typing, oh, so PM was on pro bono. You want to act as if you love PM. Those of you never love PM. If you love PM, you must come back and start speaking up. Start speaking up. The one that 247 is doing now, I don't know what he is doing, but that is not speaking up. He is on a issue there. On a boku okirikiri or they can this woman on 247, you know how you defended this very woman, and you must stand up to talk what she is doing. That is not what have you people. I said 247 before you started attacking me. People's phone number were published on air. Can you put yourself in the shoe of those who are in Biafra land? Which one of them called me on phone and was begging me, why is this very woman that I should help her talk to this very woman? I said, I am not speaking to her. I have not spoken to her. He said that he is publishing the phone numbers of people which he is involved. Ada Dioramma equally have her own share because people called her again. People in her cabinet, there is a guy that they later mentioned Genenwa of Governor Genenwa. He told me that this very woman, what she is doing is an act of sabotage by going on air to publish the names of people. Why this guy is telling me this? He is still in the cabinet of Ngọzi Oragbueze, which he was later promoted. And on and on. He's told me this very woman, what he is doing is an act of sabotage. That look. I said, okay, I will go on air and talk. I get on air and ask the questions. Why do you announce local number? Obinna, you was working with Ngọzi Oragbueze. She announced local number. You and 247. And two of you supported it. Can you tell me that you will transfer with your bank account into that number? There is one man that is defending Ngọzi Oragbueze with everything in him. I just look at the guy. He was my friend. He was my friend. And I don't do friend on fake people. If you are fake, stay away from me. This guy told me that what Ngọzi is doing is not good by publishing account of people that DSS can track anybody. But what he told me is that he do not know that Ngọzi can work with Nigerian government. He can work, but it is between him and his God. But concerning what she is doing, publishing phone number, is not right. Even he himself is not transferring into that account direct, that he used to go to POS and withdraw and transfer. I told him, okay, you used to go to POS, withdraw and transfer. There, iti go POS, nwa bayi na baharia, echi abia buru onye POS. Why? Ineti, isi na ilovuru onye Igbo, na-eti onye Igbo na problem. Isi na ị chọrọ freedom of onye Igbo, ị na-eti onye Igbo na problem. Echi akpọchi onye Igbo na DSS, nge nwa na onwe gị na walk free and claiming that you love ndị Igbo. He said, ọkwa ya, nsị ịchọ ime transfer ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime, go to ndị ugwu or ndị Yoruba. Ọ sị ma ọkwa ya. But this very person that I'm telling you can take a bullet for Ngọzi Oragbueze. The person that noticed all these loopholes, this person knew that Ikenga Uruagụ is working with Ngọzi Oragbueze. Formerly, he hated Ikenga Uruagụ very well. But he is there supporting Ngọzi Oragbueze. Since December till this very moment, all of you supported Ngọzi Oragbueze, typing jargons. What have she achieved? What have she achieved? If not unaliving our own people. If not unaliving our own people. Recently, Ngọzi was very proud enough to publish that she belongs to NCWS, National Council of Women, Genenwano. And she put the logo and their pictures. She tweeted it by herself. And you see green, white, green. Their logo, green, white, green. When do you people who ran away from DOS green, white, green started accepting green, white, green of a woman who is telling you people that she is fighting for Biafra, but she is very comfortable with Nigerian Women League? What are they fighting for? Equality, inclusiveness in women's, in Nigeria, in Nigerian politics. That's the things that they are fighting for. And this person is telling you that she won Biafra, but she wants inclusiveness in Nigerian politics. How does it make sense? And where is she? In Jigawa chapter. Jigawa that have bragged that the oil in Biafra land belongs to them. Where is she doing charity? In Jigawa? Okay, she took her charity in Jigawa. If she loved Biafra so much, why is it that she did not establish charity in Biafra land? If you go to Biafra land today, a lot of school dropouts are many due to the sufferings. No money, no food, no basic amenities, no work. Families are suffering, struggling from hand to mouth. I knew of a family which I come from during my growing days. Some days we pray to God to even eat one meal in a day. During my growing days, my dear father suffered everything to make sure that he takes us to school, but at a time, all to no avail. And that have been the basic of some children in Biafra land, which I sworn an oath I will never ever abide in Nigeria. I will never, instead of me to abide in Nigeria, it's better that I die. I have taken that as oath. Or support any political nonsense in Nigeria. Instead of that, it's better that I die. That is one of my oaths. Now, all of you are waking up. You started talking about Madam Jigawa, Nwanyi Mkpụrụ Mmiri, Georgia psychiatrist. It is a very welcome development, but you are not speaking up. Let me show you people what Obinna typed and was saying, oh, nobody let them know. Let us look at it, please, as we go into this very program. So, Obinna wrote this thing that you are seeing here. Another Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's Kenya situation played out in Finland. Kanu was kidnapped and tortured for 8 days without the knowledge of Biafrans, and now Simon was tried and defended by a government-sponsored defense attorney, and Biafrans weren't granted the courtesy of being privy to it. Sad. Now, this thing that he tweeted here, I have always said it in my program. That was part of the reason why Argi is tweeting today. Argi, you told me that I was pinching the people against USB. I said that USB have no hand because USB was making it look as if that they are taking care of PM, that they are in control, they are in reach of PM. At a time, Ngọzi told you people, these other people that said that they were talking to PM, don't mind them, don't listen to them. USB is the one that speaks and talks to PM, and USB is the one doing something for the freedom of PM, which it was fallacy and lies. I said USB have nothing. I said even Finland gave our PM. I said it in my program, time without number. Those of you whose mind, when you come into the program, your mind will be, how will I attack him? How will I see faults? How can you hear what I am saying? How can you reason what I am saying? I said, Finland is the one who gave PM lawyer. It is there. I said it time without number. Argi Kavonyendo. Those of you, Obinna Victor Zaganobi and what are they calling him? And the 247, they are in the same cabal with Argi. They should go and ask, what is making Argi to call me? All of you are now acting as if you are innocent. You don't know anything. All of you knew what you were doing. But just because it was sweeting some of you then, it was sweeting some of you, the acolyte, the recognition is sweeting all of you, the attention is sweeting all of you. None of you was talking. Because if you said that you did not know, what about me saying it in my programs? Go and watch my programs. I have consistently mentioned it. The PM, you have nobody. It is Finland, the same Finland that he is going to court case. It is the same Finland that is giving him lawyer. When I said it, Ndi otu Nkere was attacking me. Ndi otu Arabeze was attacking me. Why should I say so? But that is the truth. All of them typing jargons. I even saw Akparawa this morning saying that Brigi will appeal the case of PM. Brigi have not been there to appeal from day one. It was pro bono. Every morning, Ngọzi Oragbueze is collecting, telling you, oh, we are going there, and the ones that these very people are telling you, oh, we are appealing, is jargons and nonsense. None of them is going to that place. It is nonsense that they told the people, lying to the people, whitewash lies. Have you asked yourself, why is it that all of them saying that they are leading have not gone to CPM one-on-one? Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself, why is it that Nkere never visited to CPM one-on-one? Why is it that Ngọzi Oragbueze, who love one Nigeria so much, have never visited to CPM one-on-one? Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself what is happening in the struggle? All of you must understand that this very freedom is sacrosanct. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter the lies and the deceits that you tell. This very freedom must come, and it will come under our watch, because Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, have determined that this particular freedom will come. It's not by what you do or how you plan it. Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, have destined freedom to come, and it will come. Are you getting me? Now let us move on, please. So he wrote this one again. You know, the other one that he wrote is that the same Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's case played out. That people were being deceived that, why the case was going on. People were being deceived. We are taking care of PM's court case, not knowing that PM was on pro bono. So he said, why? He said here, so why Simon Ekpa's trial took place in Finland? It was the same Finland who provided and funded his defense attorney. And this kind of injustice was hidden from Biafrans. Neither Brigi nor USB informed Biafrans about this injustice. How then were we expecting Simon to get justice? Now, he is now calling Brigi nor USB. There is a place that he said, even that he called out Nkere, saying Nkere was deceiving the people, telling the people that they are the people. Nkere and Sonny Akparawa was deceiving the people, telling the people that they were the people taking care of PM's court case. It's not only Nkere. What Nkere is doing is the same thing Ngọzi Oragbueze is doing, but Ngọzi Oragbueze is more deadlier than Nkere. I have always said it. Ngọzi Oragbueze is more deadlier than Nkere. Unu hụkwara Sonny Akparawa na ọ zana n'ishi n'ishi. He have now zana ishi n'ishi. O nweziri ishi ukwu na. The money that the people, innocent Biafrans, contributed have made him zani shinishi. That is the ugly part of this very thing. The ugly part. They told you that they love you. They pretend as if they love you. But they love your money. That money in your pocket. Biafrans, do not be moved. Do not be moved. Why move? When I'm a move, you gotta contribute. You gotta know the. So he's now calling the both side. And I would always say this thing. I would always say this thing. If you are not pure from day one, you are not pure. My emotions drives me in this very freedom. Not your blackmail. I am driven by compassion and love for the people of Biafra. And they can attest to it. At least I give people what I have. If I don't have, like now, there is one of our brother reaching out to me. No, Lord. No, Lord. For him to take care of his medical treatment. But me, on my own self, that he is reaching out, do not have. And I am willing to give anything when I have. That is me for you. When I have things, people eat with me. When I have, people eat with me. If I do not have, I do not have. Obuzi nke a nno kuneza anyị nzoro ezo nna anaghị eme business. I don't have. But Biafra people have supported me so immensely, and I thank them immensely. Before and now. Before and now. I know why I use now. Now, in the last few days, there are people that don't normally reach out to me one-on-one. They reach out to me and ask, Nna, ele ihe na-emezi, which I told them. Two of them, one gave me, one was through Messenger. He gave me 50 euro. The other one was through, called me. He gave me 50 euro also. You know my own. I don't have skeleton in my cupboard. What's up? And they always call at the point of need. I am Onyebuchi Ashiborobi. So it's better than for me to sell my own conscience, collect money and sell my own conscience. Nebu nishi, iputazie ine glitter, you that everyone know. None of them, neither the said Brigio or the USB, is doing anything for PM's court case. None of them have given 1 naira. None of them have given out penny. Farthing. All of them are there. They have not contributed penny farthing. But they have contributed saga. They have contributed lies. And they have contributed deceit. This is Onyebuchi Ashiborobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Iziokwu nke Chineke ana-akụ mmiri. That is the only thing that I have brought upon this very platform. You must hit the like button and share. Hit the like button and share amicably. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akụ mmiri. That is the only thing that I have brought upon this very platform. Should, in case if you don't know, that I speak nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, going forward, he equally tweeted this thing that same yesterday. Nkere and Sonny Akparawa lied to those following them that they were the ones who provided and funded Simon's defense attorney, whereas they never did, rather using it to scam Biafrans. Finland gave Simon an attorney and we expected justice. How? Now, if you go this thing now, why am I exposing this particular thing? This is insincerity. He had the opportunity to call out Ngọzi Oragbueze, but he never did. He only called out Nkere and Akparawa. Lied. What about Ngọzi Oragbueze, who said that we should not mind Nkere and Sonny Akparawa them? That they are. USB is in charge. USB have been taking care of them. In one of her programs, she said that Nkere went there to see PM, and PM pursued him. PM sacked him and warned him never to come. USB is in charge. Why don't you call out the woman? And when I see this tweet, I was forced. I'm not following him on Twitter, so I was forced to go through his platform to see if he called out Ngọzi Oragbueze, and he never did. This is insincerity. This is fake love. Why he typed this is because he never wanted USB Mugus, those male republic, to come after him. He never wanted them to come after him. That is the reason why he stopped at Nkere and Akparawa. If you are talking about lying, USB, your madam lied a very big lie. And forever and ever again, I don't think in this life you will have the opportunity of talking to me anymore. That one have ended. Betray me once, it is a mistake. Betray me twice. No be mistake, or not even to talk about 3 times. No be mistake. Look at the nonsense. Nkere and Akparawa. What happened to Ngọzi Oragbueze also? Or is that one not leader? So if you believe that Nkere and Akparawa was found worthy enough by PM to take care of PM expenses, why are you then following USB? Since you notice that USB did not even do anything, you're supposed to call out USB that you believe. Why you are USB is because you believe that they are the ones following PM. Or are you in another group calling out another group? So why don't you call your own USB? Because why you castigate Nkere and Akparawa is because you call them fake and they are fake. Majority of these very people, masquerade, were fake people. They came in this very struggle to milk the people. So why you call them out? You have called them fake ab initio. Why don't you call your original madam and said, Madam, why is it that you did not take care of our PM's medical treatment? Why don't you call your madam? Do you see the double standard? This is one thing that I hate in this very struggle. Ndị mmadụ anaghị ekwu eziokwu. They don't speak the truth and they hate the truth. They prefer to lie to our own people rather than telling our own people the truth. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburuobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburuobi. Nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is one thing that I do on this very platform. So why is it that you did not call your madam? You stopped at Nkere. Nkere and Akparawa lied to those following them. What about the person that you are following? If you say that you are pure, stand neutral. Your madam is the worst. Lying, we are in charge. At the beginning, your madam said that I'm telling lies, that USB is in charge of PM's court case. USB is there. In secret, they were telling me that, PM have prepared himself. Are you not hearing it in my programs? Are you not hearing it, Oga? Due to 1 naira or 2 naira that will come. Now you are writing, they are using it to scam Biafrans. What about your madam, Ngọzi Oragbueze, that use her own to scam Biafra people? They are in the same shoe with Nkere. Why don't you call them? Adebo Akagbu Onyeto. All of you cowards. Not bold enough to speak. On Ghana's, on gossip, just the way that I had whatever nonsense that you talk. I had it. But I just zip my mouth. This time around, I go zip my mouth till that time. All of you pretending. If you know the same energy, unji way may attack other people, use it to expose your madam. When in Biafra struggle is somebody being proud of green, white, green, something that the DOS did. She tweeted it, their women's league. She tweeted which I my humbly self belongs to. She tweeted it on Twitter, not me saying it again. Green, white, green. DOS. Green, white, green. When is it that people in freedom are proud of green, white, green? When is it that people in freedom love Nigeria? I belong to Nigerian Women's League. Jigawa State Chapter. You are in freedom for Biafra people, and you are being loved in Jigawa. What will you tell the international community? Oh, it is not inhuman treatment. Oh, nobody is doing inhuman treatment, but we just want to leave. That is this thing that the, oh my God. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. I am speaking this way so that humanity will bear me witness. Because to me, it doesn't matter what you type. It doesn't matter the jargons which you write to me. It doesn't make any sense. I will keep on speaking the truth. Truth is just like a beacon of light. Anybody who sees the truth follows it. And that is the reason why I have been able to convert a lot of people. A lot. I have converted them. All the things that all of you are seeing in this very agitation, they intentionally blackmailed PM. Nkere, Ngọzi Oragbueze. That is the reason why you saw people following you, all the people following Nkere, Egoronaha blueprint, all of them. Blueprint. Ịhụzie Sọnị Akparawa ni isi ya ka isi mmadụ ise. Neglitazi. Sọnị Akparawa is no longer living Biabia because you know in Cape Verde to back Biabia it cost money. And what is he doing? Ordinary phone repairer. Ka ọ na-eme in Cape Verde. Now, according to my informant, he no longer sit and repair phone anymore. He no longer sit and repair phone anymore. Because I dip my light there. He have even left that place. According to my informant, he said, it had been long that they saw him there. That he not today, he saw him. Maybe either he relocated or thereabout. I don't know, but I will still ask him to give me video to confirm. Just as it is well. We will get there. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. And for your information, I'm getting information from multiple people. But it was one person who established first. Before, when I use it for program, multiple people from Cape Verde reach out to me. So he then exposed himself. And I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, please. Let me stop there. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. And you look at Madam Brummiri. Her own work is to make sure that BLA never functions. Her own work is to make sure that BLA never functions at all. And all these people are the people that want me to take them serious. You must be truthful and you must be sincere. Obinna Victor Zaganobi, both you and 247 and Argi, all of you are chameleon. The same way Unjuwe Pota defender Ngọzi Oragbueze, why don't you expose her? All of you na miari. Behind the closed door, hey, no, ihe nwanyi amegoro. Before even 247 came out to this thing, I have said it on my platform because I heard what he told one guy. That they are being deceived in this very freedom. I heard everything. And I said it on my platform then. That he will soon dokara Sheba Apo. There is nothing that I don't hear. But all of you who are now typing jargons, Why don't all of you be man enough to expose this very woman? Be man enough to expose the atrocities. The same way Unjeti, this thing, more energy to expose the Nkere and co. Why don't you people put that energy to expose her and tell our own people that our own people are dying following this very woman? This woman recruited army. Today, nobody is seeing them. Nobody is seeing them. Mother, Efuona, and all of you are keeping quiet. I am Onyebuchi Ashibrobi. From me from here, from the temple of the grace, I greet you good morning, please.